New Delhi on Monday summoned Canadian Deputy High Commissioner over raising of separatist slogans on Khalistan at an event attended by Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, underlining that it impacts the relations between the two countries and encourages climate of violence. The Government of India's deep concern and strong protest was conveyed at such disturbing actions being allowed to continue unchecked at the event. This illustrates once again the political space that has been given in Canada to separatism, extremism, and violence, said the Ministry of External Affairs in a statement. Their continued expressions not only impact India-Canada relations, but also encourage a climate of violence and criminality in Canada to the detriment of its own citizens, the statement further read. At the Khalsa Day celebrations that took place in Toronto, loud chants of pro-Khalistan slogans were seen being raised in the presence of Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau as well as opposition leader Pierre Poilievre. This comes amid a sharp rise in anti-India sentiment in Canada in recent times. As PM Trudeau was about to take the stage for his address to mark Khalsa Day, the chants were heard getting louder till he arrives and commences his speech in the video released by Canada-based CPAC TV. Slogans of Khalistan Zindabad were heard in the event, in which NDP leader Jagmeet Singh and Toronto Mayor Olivia Chow were also present. A similar instance also occurred when the leader of the official opposition of Canada, Pierre Poilievre, walked up to the stage to begin his address to the people gathered at the event. Thousands of people flocked to downtown Toronto on Sunday for one of the biggest yearly gatherings in the city. According to the Ontario Sikhs and Gurdwaras Council, Vaisakhi, also called Khalsa Day, commemorates the founding of the Sikh community in 1699 as well as the Sikh New Year.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.